Here I've got Hammer Blade, and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings, scroll down, and under System you will notice date and time, so simply open it. And now you can either have an automatic time and date, or you can switch it up by tapping. And now you can set date and also time manually by yourself, so it's all up to you. Click on OK to save, and then you can also have an automatic time zone, or you can switch it off and then select time zone by yourself. So let me pick, for example, this one. And finally, you can also change the format of your clock, so you can either have the 24-hour format clock, or you can switch it off and have the standard one, which is 12-hour format clock, and then click on choose date format to select the one that suits you most. So let me pick, for example, this one. And that would be all. Then if you would like to go back to default settings, to automatic setup, simply click here to go back to automatic time zone, and then automatic date and time. Just select if you would like to use network provided time or GPS provided time. I truly recommend the first one, so I will enable it. So that's it. This is how you can set up date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.